Brent Zimmerman here with Midlands Home Inspections. Performing a home inspection on this property. We do want to point out they have a passive radon system installed in the house already. Basically what the passive radon system is the piping's already installed. Some pump pits already been sealed off. So basically they're just using natural flow from the gases from the ground to come up, find the easiest path out of the home, which will be through this passive system. Runs up and out, goes out through the roof. There is no fan installed like on your typical radon systems on the exterior of the home or in the attic space. So we have no suction on that line. But once again, there's no true way of knowing what the radon levels are in the home unless you test the home for the radon. So if you're interested in that, feel free to call Midlands Home Inspections and we can go ahead and come in and test your property for you and let you know what your radon levels are. You might be saving a family member's life. Thank you and have a great day.